frame on the G4, fully enclosed Shimano Nexus 3-speed chain-driven rear hub, and a 500 watt front hub motor.
So how big is the battery though?
300 watt hours, 375 watt hours.
And you're getting 40 miles on it?
Yeah, 40 miles on this, 50 miles on this. So you got a mechanical grip shift here with an LED mini dash. All of our bikes have throttle assist as well. So there's a throttle button on this, mechanical shift here. If you come over here, you can get the video of the dash on the...
You said 500 watt motors?
500 watt front hub motors. So battery indicator, you've got a gear shift indicator, second gear, third gear. Predictive shifting, it'll downshift the first gear for you.
Really?
Yep, so up and down for you. If you look at the front, you've got a daytime riding light.
You can probably upgrade
Forward setting daytime riding light.
you know what I mean?
That'll you can lower the handlebars. Full hydraulic, front and rear disc brakes.
I like the mag wheels too.
Yep, and they've got carbon fiber mags on this, and you've actually got magnesium mags on this one.
Who makes the brakes?
They're Hayes Bengal brake.
In single gear?
3-speed.
Oh, they are 3-speed, that's right.
3-speed, so yeah, so first
Oh, that's
gear,
right.
second gear, third
You're
gear.
right, okay, that's
So I'm
right.
going to put you right on this one.
Okay.
So this is, the reason I give you this is it's the predictive shifting. It takes a bit to get used to. I'm going to put you in third gear, and I want you to stay in third gear.
Okay.
And then I want you to pedal, and you're going to feel the motor.
Okay.
And then if you feel like you need it, you got hold, press and hold, and that'll give you the full throttle.
Okay. All right, cool.
Yep.
Thank you.
And watch yourself on the left as it's coming up.
For sure.
What's it?
All right, people. We're on the Gocycle G4. It's like a space age looking bike. And small motor, small watt hour battery, and they claim like insane range, which I don't understand. I don't know how a 300 watt motor, a 300 watt hour battery can go 40 miles. It just doesn't make sense to me, unless they have like freaking Tesla cells or something. I don't know. Maybe they've got something special going with Elon Musk. I don't know. But there's just no way that's even possible. But 3 gears. I don't know why he's got me in third gear. Okay, first gear is really easy. Nice to easy pedal. I like it. I like it. I like it. Nice easy. Takes a second for the motor to kick in. And so that's first gear. First gear, you don't get a whole lot of help with the motor. Second gear definitely kicks in. It's more of a higher end gear, higher end motor too. You're not getting a lot of torque, you know what I mean? And I'm just cruising. I'm guessing at probably like 12 miles an hour in second gear, you know? Third gear, I'm assuming I can go 18 maybe. These things are just really fun looking, very cool looking. They're carbon fiber, so very well built. And so you can definitely, I don't know if you're gonna be hill climbing, because first gear is actually, it's not that low. Okay, wait a minute. This thing like decides when it wants to give you power. It's really bizarre. It literally decides when it wants to give you power. I'm gonna try the throttle only here. Throttle override. It's got a little button you push. So throttle's got some power. We're probably going a good 20 miles an hour right now. Yeah. Hey, there's no way in hell you're getting long range with this kind of, using the throttle. I've always wanted to be on a Gocycle, you know? And now I have. Definitely upright, very upright. It's very tall. You're seated very tall. And let's put it in third and see what she's got. So yeah, you're faster in, so it's 500 watt front hub. You're faster with throttle than you are with pedaling. The throttle is like so exciting that you probably really like favor throttling. Can't imagine you'd use pedaling much, which means your range is going to be impacted. But the guy I was speaking to really seems to believe in his range, and I'd love to know how you're getting 40 miles out of this thing. Or even more, I think he said. I don't understand how it's even possible. Yeah, this thing's got some zip in throttle. It's actually kind of comfortable somehow. I don't understand how. It has no suspension. But yeah, it's pretty comfortable. It's pretty fast. It's zippy. It's got good turning radius. And let's take a look at it.
How was it?
Really good. Yeah, I like it a lot. It's got a lot of zip with the throttle.
It sure does, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Surprisingly.
It's a 500 watt motor, just like everything. That's pretty much right.
Yeah, no, none of them have front hub though. It's like
That is true.
That's my second experience ever with a front hub, and it's got more torque than I would think it would.
Yeah, it feels different, doesn't it? It doesn't feel like it's just pushing you along, it's bringing you along.
That's a very interesting point.
Yeah.
It's pulling, not pushing.
Yeah, yeah.
It really is. Feels like a front wheel drive car, kind of like going up a hill.
Yep.
But here's my question though. It's got a 300 watt hour battery. So what is it, a 36 volt?
36 volt,
And what is it?
40 miles.
How?
I've gone 36 miles down the trail and back and still had juice. Testing ranges. For
So what kind of cells do you have?
the Samsung 30, or what's an 18650?
No, you keep that. I'm gonna take the bike.
It's like an enigma. It's crazy.
Yeah.
But very cool.
Cause I've been living life like I could just die any minute. Don't pull right down the side. PCH country limit. I don't need a guide.
Very, very cool.